In this video, I'm going to share with you how to add a calendar to a website in Builderall. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed, as I will go ahead and I will reply and get back to you. Alright, so we actually had a comment from one of our subscribers, BLM Legendsleys, and he says, awesome, looking forward to adding a calendar, linking to my Google Calendar, maybe so I can see my clients. Thanks for your help. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So what it's gonna be connected to Google. They're gonna be able to schedule a call with Zoom automatically, and they can choose the time and everything. I'm gonna make it so simple. So with that said, let's hop into my computer and let me show you. So here on Builderall, let's look for the booking app, Booking Builder, this one. All right, this booking tool is very powerful. You can do all kinds of things here. You can even charge people to book calls with you and recurring incomes and things like that. But I'm gonna keep it simple today. So first, let's come here to hosts on the left. And here is, I have myself already added. It automatically does that. But you can add people here to be hosts of the calendar if you want. Okay, let's go here to dashboard. Okay, let's click here, new calendar. And up here, we have 4 kinds of calendars. Consultation, that's what I'm gonna do to book a 30-minute call with me. Event, this is for events, right? Classroom, and recurring. Okay, let's go for the consultation. Calendar title, just call the name of the calendar and create new calendar. Here on the basic settings, you want to add the description. I'm going to call it book a call with me, right, as the description. I'm going to upload a logo here. I'm just going to add any image just for now. I'm going to add this one image. You can change the color of the calendar there if you want to match the logo. I'll keep it white. Okay, here the time zone, you have select the user's time zone on the left, and that's better so that everybody can get their current actions when they subscribe. And here you can either choose display success message, which is what I'm going to do, or you can redirect them to another page where you can have an upsell, whatever you want there, right? So in this case, I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to say, thanks, check your email for details. Okay, let's go ahead and save and next. Okay, here is the new group. You can have multiple groups for a schedule. I'm just gonna create one and I'm gonna call it book here. Here add a description. I'm just gonna say show up on the scheduled time. When will it start? Let's put every 15 minutes. And then the session duration, I want this to be here 30 minutes, 30-minute call with me, right? And then here is the business hours. When will this be available? Will I be available? I want every day except Sunday, so you can change the times here, right? And here available dates is like what months are you available, so you can change all of this here. I'll keep it all. Available indefinitely, okay, we can change that if we want. And then here we go ahead and click save. Okay, there's an error. Okay, I need to select which host, so in this case is me, and let's go ahead and save. All right, now here is the information that we're gonna ask the user. In this case, I'm just gonna ask for the name and email, since I'm just gonna schedule a Zoom call with them. So let's go and save. Next. Okay, here is the confirmation notification. So I don't want it to be confirmed. I want to just for them to schedule and boom, it's done. So I'll select this left one over here. But if you want them to confirm, you can select the right one, right? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take this one to send an email to host when sign up happens, so that he gets notified about it. And then here on the reminders, I'm gonna go ahead and say yes. I'm gonna click this one, send reminder email to host as well. And then I believe we need to add a reminder, but I don't know, let's see. So email sender, we can use the default of Builderall, or we can use here our own one, which I'm gonna use mine. I have mine connected to Builderall, so it's just my email over here. This is the name of the sender. I'm gonna type in my name, and reply to is the email that they can reply to. So I'm gonna add my email here. Okay, then let's save it next. Okay, we got something we need to enter. Okay, is the reminder. Okay, we actually need to add a reminder. So let's go ahead and click here on new reminder, and we're gonna go, okay, so 1 hour it's gonna be reminded them of the meeting. Okay, so now here we can edit and we can change the text here, right here, and we can even send an SMS message as well. So here on email, if we scroll down here, we can change hello lead name 1 hour to the meeting. We can type whatever we want here and just click done. Okay, and there we go. There's one reminder. You can add multiple if you want. One it's enough for now. Save it next. Okay, this I want it do not synchronize with Google if you want to see it here on Builderall, but I want it to synchronize with my Google account so that I get notified since I use Google. So I'm gonna add calendar. I'm gonna select my account, so I'm gonna create an integration. I'm gonna log in with my Google account here. I'm gonna go ahead and click allowed. Over here's allowed as well, and boom, it's connected to my calendar. Now I'm gonna select which calendar, which is this one. Either one of these, I believe they work. I'm gonna select this one, two-way. Now I want it to be a Zoom call, so I'm gonna go ahead and integrate with Zoom over here, right? If you wouldn't integrate, you would add the description how you would do it, but in this case, or through a website or whatever, or Meet or other platform, but in this case I want a Zoom call, so I'm gonna go ahead and select here on the right, integrate with Zoom. Okay, it's gonna connect me with my Zoom account, so I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna select my email here to log in. Okay, we need to go ahead and pre-approve over here and then accept here. Okay, now it's connected to Zoom. That's awesome. It will schedule the call automatically. And here, subscribe to list. We can subscribe to an email list on MailingBoss, which is pretty cool. You know, so we can follow up if you want. And email them down the line, but I'm not gonna go for this. I'm just do nothing. And okay, save. This is a payment, so you can collect payments for them to schedule a call with you if you want, and that's possible. That's really cool, but I'm not gonna do it, so I'm not gonna enable. Save and next, and now it's configuring, creating. Okay, here we go. It is created. There's a code on top where you can add to any website, but we're gonna add to Cheetah. So I'm gonna click here, go to Cheetah. Okay, now you can add to any website in Cheetah. I'm just gonna use this one as an example. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. Okay, so we have this page over here. I'm just gonna add to this page, and you can add it anywhere, right? So what I'm gonna do here on the right, let's go to elements and let's look for booking. So here it is, booking. Click on it and just click on it and drag it to the left. Okay, now it's gonna ask you which calendar. I only have one, so it's Fabio. And then show info, I'm gonna keep it yes. And then here, all calendars, I'm gonna show, you can do all or just click here, group specific. That's the case since I've created a group, and book here. So that's the one that I've created, right? And then go ahead and click save, and boom. So here it is. We have the name on the left, Fabio, book a call with me, my name, one session, 30 minutes, and then people can schedule here the date and the time that they want to schedule with me, right? So there we go. This is how you do it. And then, of course, you would click save to save the page and publish and test it. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become unstoppable. Yes, that's my goal for you. And by the way, if you are looking to make money online with Builderall, either if you have Builderall or not, you still can do it. The link will be in the description below and also in the comments section if you want to start making money online. That's my #1 recommendation with Builderall. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. Anything, comment below, any question you might have. Feel free to comment below, say hi, tell me where you're from. And it's really a pleasure to having you here. Thank you. Don't forget to smash the like button. Smash the like button. Thank you. And I'll see you next time.